Hi, I'm Chris Lucas, the Excavator Product Manager for JCB North America. And today I'll be demonstrating how to tighten the tracks on our mini excavator machines. Rubber tracks on all excavators will stretch over time. This is especially true if you're running on rough terrain. Often you can sense a track getting slack by either visually noticing a sag in the track or by hearing a soft popping sound as you track the machine. This popping sound happens as the track actually tries to slip or pop off of the sprocket. If you think this may be the case, there are a few simple steps you can take to accurately measure your machine and tighten your track. For safety, you'll want to perform the task with two individuals. First, position the machine on level ground. Using the dozer, lift the machine until the tracks are clear of the ground with only the rear of the track resting on the ground. Once the machine has been lifted, the track should be allowed to hang free. Disengage the hydraulics to prevent unintended movement. You can do this by pressing the hydraulic isolator located on the membrane pad. Have the second individual measure the distance between the center roller and the track. This distance should not be greater than 3 inches. 2 to 3 inches is the preferred measurement. If the track hangs lower than the approved measurement, you will need to add grease. To add grease, remove the dust cover plate located on the side of the track pod. Inside, you will notice a greasing point. Using a grease gun, insert grease until the track has been tightened to the correct measurement. Once this has been complete, replace the dust cover and slowly lower the machine. I hope you have found this video to be informative. To find out more about our products, you can visit jcb.com or go to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/JCB North America.